Okay guys, 2007 Ford Fusion SEL V6. Y'all know I love these cars, man. This one is loaded up with heated seats, leather, sunroof, V6, and it is clean to be an 07. The dash is peeling up a little right there, but it is a pretty clean old car for the freaking miles. Got a million stickers on the window. It got side curtain airbags. Man, it's a nice car. Wait till y'all see these freaking miles on this thing. $304,233. Doesn't run hot. No warning lights. The AC is cold. I mean cold. Got a nice head unit here. Nothing is, I mean, you would expect this armrest would be shot, and that armrest would be shot, but it really isn't. It's all in really good condition. Let's take her down the test track here real quick. I mean, she sounds really good for 300 and whatever. Let's see, 4,000. I gotta get this thing back. This is one of the first cars to go through. I mean, this thing is really not bad for the year and the miles. Whoa. Man, she is strong. And that was only 50% throttle. Darn. This car's been well kept. Let's see, what's the oil change sticker on it? It's a little over 296, so it could use an oil change, I guess. Let's see. Yeah. Man, this thing runs good. Runs good. This might be a good cheap car, y'all. I would daily driver the crap out of this. Man, what a good, strong car. Lots of life left in this car. I gotta get it back over here in the lineup because it's one of the first ones. Let's see, what it is. Man, it may be the first car to go. I better get this some bit back because the auction starts in like 5 minutes. I like this. I just want to pop the hood, check her out a little bit, see what we got here. Can't beat these old Fusions, guys. They're always, if they've been half-ass maintained, they're always good cars. Darn thing looks good for the age. And 300,000 miles, are you freaking kidding me? Needs a set of tires, but they are worn dead even. Got lots of little rock chips where it's been zooming down the highway. They're at least Goodyear tires, but they need replacing all the way around. Not a bad looking car. Look at all the damn window stickers. Got some dark folks here. Seat, that's the only bum spot, that seat. Bum spot. This is the 10th one to go through. Okay, we got a fairly new battery, 10 of 19. And this thing looks cleaner under the hood than most newer cars I've looked at. Come on, dipstick. Oil looks good. I'm going to have to pause it to get it back in there because I'm so damn shaky. Yeah, not a bad looking rig at all. I like this car. I may bid on this damn car. This might be my new daily driver. Wanted to see this spot over here on the floor. mean, that is mildew, right? Oh yeah, it's soaking wet. Okay, so we have, oh, well, the damn sunroof is open. It may be broken. I need to see if it works. That's not good, people. Not good. Yeah, no, it goes down. But these drains, there's these drains that, oh my God, there's crud. Yeah, there's crud up here in these drains. And you got to keep them cleaned out with, I use weed eater string and compressed air. But yeah, that thing has been leaking down and then getting in the floor. I mean, the floorboard is actively wet and mildewy. I mean, this is just a solid rig. Like, comment, subscribe. We're still pro Saab here, but I might have to pick up a Ford Fusion if it's cheap enough. We'll see you next time. Peace.